Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Premiere Pro for loudness compliance for YouTube. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Ensure you have your project loaded. Navigate to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down, select Audio Track Mixer. In the Audio Track Mixer, locate the track relevant to your audio. For loudness compliance, you'll want to use the Audio Meter panel. Next, make sure to check the loudness levels while your video is playing. To analyze loudness, go to the Effects panel. Type in loudness in the search bar. Drag the loudness radar effect onto your audio track. With the effect applied, select the loudness radar in the Effects Controls panel. Now, adjust the settings according to YouTube's loudness specifications. YouTube recommends a target loudness of -14 LUFS for optimal playback. Ensure that your audio peaks no higher than -1 dBTP to avoid distortion. After you've made your adjustments, play back your audio to monitor changes. If necessary, utilize the compressor or limiter effects to refine your audio levels. To check your final loudness measurements, export your video. Go to File and select Export, then choose Media. In the export settings, ensure you select the appropriate format for YouTube. Once exported, review the file to confirm it meets loudness standards. If adjustments are needed, return to your project and edit accordingly. Repeat the export process until you achieve compliance with YouTube's loudness requirements. With your audio now set, you're ready to share your video on YouTube with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.